Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since we moved into our new house, we've been just trying to organizing everything, put things away, make the whole house homey. It's a lot of work. So today I decided to take a break and start to work on some fun stuff. I took out my Cricut machine, so I'm ready to make some labels. Alright, what do you think, guys? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like me to make some detailed tutorial videos on how to use your Cricut machine to make those labels, please leave me a comment down below, let me know, and I will be more than happy to make it for you. And if you like this type of video content, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss my next video. Alright, see you in my next one. Bye!